Oil change time. Gonna warm it up. I have no clue what I'm doing. I mean, I kind of do, but also I don't. I'm also not willing to spend $200 to have someone else do it for me. So sexy. I love having a lifted Jeep. It's so easy to get down here. Yes. Oh, that's how you know you're a man. I get to find the nut. Oh. Found it. I guess we should probably put that back in. So let's just go ahead and do that. Wipe it up a little bit. I'm gonna torque it later. Right now I just want to see and make sure that this guy actually fits. Ah, look, Amazon did something right. There it is.